This, and this can all make mechanical cable assembly prototypes, but only one of them can make them perfect every single time. Hi everyone, Craig Simons here from Karlstall Sava Industries. Today I want to talk about making mechanical cable assembly prototypes. The research and development process is a vital part of the story in how things get made. Whether you're buying a new TV, sitting on a new couch, or driving a car off the showroom floor. There are thousands of iterations that product has gone through, engineering debates that have taken place, and ideas that have been floated around before you receive what is believed to be the very best variation of that product. Manufacturing custom cable assemblies is no different. So when custom cable assembly prototypes are required, there's a couple of different approaches you can take. One is to use a hand tool, like our T185, or its big brother, the T188. In either case, you'll see the tool has multiple cavities, meaning it's compatible with many different types of cable fittings and can be used with different diameters of cable. A great advantage to the hand tool is it's so easy to make a prototype that it's done. The hand tool does have some limitations to it though. Making a custom cable assembly prototype with the hand tool can have some inconsistencies to it. If the fitting isn't put into the cavity properly, if the right amount of force isn't applied when crimping it down, if you're making multiple cable assembly prototypes, you might have an inconsistent amount of force applied to each and every one. If you're making a loop, for example, you might have different loop diameters even. However, in some cases, it might be okay for what you needed to achieve. In cases where it has to be perfect, that's when you have to consider using an industrial press. An industrial press uses a set of custom-made dies made by engineers and tool makers that's specific for your application. It's set up by an operator who uses rails and guides and a setup process to make sure that the first cable assembly that they make is as perfect as the 10,000th cable assembly. In addition to making the cable assemblies, a destructive pull test can also be performed to make sure that your cable assembly reaches optimal performance. In the end, this becomes what I like to call engineer's choice. Is a hand tool right? Do you need something that's quick and dirty? Do you need to just prove out a general concept to see if it's something you need to further pursue? Or do you need something that's absolutely perfect, and are you so close to a final design that you need to make sure that this is the right product you want to put out to your customers? Not sure which is right? Contact one of our cable experts. We'll be happy to advise. For more information, go to savacable.com. Leave any questions or ideas in the comments. You can find us anywhere on social media. And remember, we have a full machining department that can custom manufacture just about anything. Let us know how we can help you. Thanks.